Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and set up ChatGPT Atlas on your Mac, whether you're using a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or Mac Mini. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Alright, let's jump right in. Start by opening your preferred browser, Chrome, Safari, Brave, or whichever you like, and go to chatgpt.com/atlas. I've also left the link for you in the video description. Once you're on the site, click Download for macOS to grab the installer. Save it wherever you want. Most people just use the Downloads folder. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the .dmg file. A new window will open. Simply drag the ChatGPT Atlas icon into your Applications folder. After that, close the window and move the installer to the trash. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and launch ChatGPT Atlas. If you see a macOS security prompt, just click Open to continue. Now sign in with your ChatGPT account, whether you're using the free or paid version. During setup, Atlas might ask if you'd like to import your bookmarks, history, or passwords from another browser like Chrome or Safari. If you want to bring that data over, select Start Import. Otherwise, you can skip it. You might also see an option for browser memories, which allows Atlas to remember your browsing context for smarter suggestions. You can turn this on or skip it. Totally up to you. If you want to make ChatGPT Atlas your default browser, open the app, click your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings, and under General select Set Default, then choose Use ChatGPT Atlas. And that's it. You now have ChatGPT Atlas fully installed and ready to go on your Mac. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.